Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this we will see another problem solving which was asked in the previous exam question on distribution function. So here some distribution function is given which is defined as 0 for x less than 0 and it is equal to kx square for the values lying between 0 to 10 and it is equal to 100k for x greater than 10. So here we have to find the constant k and probability of x less than or equal to 5 and probability of x lying between 5 and including 7. So first we will find the a bit, that is finding the constant. So we know from the properties of the distribution function fx of infinity is fx of maximum value it can take is 1. Fx of infinity is 1. So here for all values x greater than 10, it is taking the value 100k. It is taking 100k. So fx distribution function maximum value is 100k. So here we can substitute fx of infinity value as 100k because x is equal to infinity is the point that is also included in this range x greater than 10. So that is why we are using this property fx of infinity is equal to 1, that is equal to 100k. So from this, if we take the 100 to the other side, k is equal to 1 by 100. 1 by 100 is nothing but 0.01. So that is the constant value k. Second bit, we have to find probability of x less than or equal to 5. So from the definition of distribution function, we know that from the definition of the distribution function, fx of x is nothing but probability of x less than or equal to 5. So here, x less than or equal to random variable capital X is less than or equal to small x. So here in the problem statement it was asked probability of x less than the random variable is taking less than or equal to 5. So here small x value is 5. So from this probability of x less than or equal to 5 is simply the distribution function. We have to find x is taking the value 5. So x is equal to 5 lies in this range from 0 to 10. Small x is equal to 5 lies in the range 0 to 10. So fx of x in this range is k value we have just now found out. It is 0.01 into x square. So this value we have to find at x is equal to small x is equal to 5. So now if you substitute, it is 0.01 into 5 square. 5 square means 25. So 0.01 into 25. So it is simply 0.25. So probability of x less than or equal to 5 is its value is 0.25. Next, the last bit. For this also we will use another property of the distribution function, probability of the random variable taking values between two values x less than x1 less than x less than or equal to x2 is, it is nothing but fx of x2 minus fx of x1. Probability of the random variable taking values in this range x1 and including x2 is nothing but fx of x2 minus fx of x1. So here from the statement if you compare, small x1 is 5 and x2 is 7. So what we have to find out, fx of x2 is 7 minus fx of x1 is 5. So here both values 5 and 7 lies in this range 0 to 10. So for both the things the distribution function is taking kx square. So that is equal to k value is 0.01. So now if you substitute x square in place of x square, x is 7 square minus 5 square, 49 minus 25. So 0.017 square means 49 minus 25. So 49 minus 25 means 24. 0.01 into 24, which is nothing but simply 0.24. So this is the value for probability of x taking values between 5 and including 7. So this is the answer. So this is how, if we are asked to find the random variable is taking values between 2, we have to use this property. We have to use this property of the distribution function. So I hope everyone understood how we have solved this problem. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends and classmates. Thank you.